Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by loosening what's stuck. Scrape off any loose bits, then fill the pan with hot water and a few drops of dish soap. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Heat helps dissolve grease and softens burnt layers. Once simmering, sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of baking soda per quart of water. The baking soda reacts with oils and raises pH to lift residue. Let it soak 10-15 minutes so softened grime releases, then turn off heat and allow it to cool slightly before scrubbing. Now you attack the loosened grime. Use a nylon scrubber or non-scratch pad and scrub in circular motions to follow the grain. This removes residue without scratching. For stubborn spots, make a paste of baking soda and a little water, apply, and wait about 10 minutes. That mild abrasion helps lift stains. If you see mineral rings or rainbow discoloration, simmer a 1 to 3 vinegar to water mix to dissolve deposits, then rinse thoroughly. Make sure to neutralize with a final soapy wash. Finish by rinsing the pan thoroughly with hot water to remove all cleaning residue. Leftover cleaner causes streaks and dullness. Dry immediately with a microfiber or soft towel. Stainless steels spot quickly if air-dried. For a final polish, rub a few drops of cooking oil or a dedicated stainless polish and buff with a clean cloth to restore shine. Troubleshooting tip. If a burnt-on patch remains, simmer water with extra baking soda and gently lift with a wooden spoon. Never use metal scrapers that scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.